Understanding Fraternal Ties, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, fraternal ties. This phrase is not just about the words, but about the rich cultural and social connections they imply. Let's dive in and understand its meaning and usage. Fraternal ties refers to the bonds or relationships between brothers or brother-like figures. The word fraternal comes from the Latin term fraternus, which means brotherly. It's often used to describe relationships that are as strong and supportive as those between actual brothers. This phrase can be applied in both literal and figurative contexts. To better understand, let's look at some examples. 1. The fraternal ties between the soldiers were evident in their unwavering support for each other. 2. Despite not being related by blood, their fraternal ties made them more like family. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe close, brother-like relationships. While fraternal ties is not an everyday expression, it's useful in certain contexts, especially when discussing relationships that are deeply bonded and supportive, resembling those of brothers. It's a phrase that adds depth and emotion to the description of a relationship. The concept of fraternal ties goes beyond language. It's deeply rooted in cultural and social contexts. It signifies trust, loyalty, and a deep connection that is often found in various societies and communities around the world. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of fraternal ties. It's a beautiful phrase that conveys deep connections and loyalty. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use it when you come across a bond that reminds you of the strength and support of brotherhood. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.